Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Do you ever click on an email in Outlook, only for it to immediately mark itself as read? This common frustration makes it hard to track what you still need to address. You want to keep emails unread even after selecting them. Luckily, there's a simple fix for this. First, open Outlook. Go to the File tab in the top left. Click Options. In the new Outlook Options window, choose Advanced from the left menu. Find the Outlook pane section and click the Reading Pane button. A small window for reading pane options will appear. The key setting is a mark item as read when selection changes. Uncheck this box. This stops Outlook from automatically marking an email as read just because you clicked it. You might also see mark items as read when viewed in the reading pane. You can uncheck this one too, or set a delay like 30 seconds, but the first option is crucial for your specific need. Click OK on both windows to save. Now, when you click an email, it stays unread until you manually mark it or open it in a new window. This gives you better control over your inbox and helps with prioritization.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.